Namaskar, good evening. It's a matter of great pride to be here with all of you in Haldia today. And I remember the journey of our participation with the Hooghly Met Coke Company to initially run the power plant and then take over this power plant began sometimes in 2005. We had a number of meetings with Mr. B.K. Singh, Ashok Pandey, and the stalwarts of Tata Steel sitting in Tata Center at Kolkata to decide an agreement which would ultimately give birth to our station at Haldia. And the agreement between Hooghly Met Coke and Tata Power was signed in this very hotel in the room just outside this hall. So I'm very happy that today Haldia is celebrating the centenary year function like the other divisions of Tata Power and marking it as an occasion when the commercial operation of the first unit had started. For the company, it all began about 100 years ago, and the first function was marked at Khapoli, where the chairman was present, to mark Tata Power's operations, which started in 1915. This company is proud to be in the entire value chain of power, right from owning fuel mines, coal mines, and to generation, transmission, and distribution. And not only generation with coal, but a variety of fuels. And Haldia is one example of green power, which we are all very proud of. On this day, I congratulate all of you to be proud participants of this team, which is going to lead the future journey of Tata Power and create many more milestones for the organization with safety, quality consciousness, sustainability, care for the environment, and most especially focus towards our consumers. And therefore, being in the generation business, our prime area of importance is to produce reliable power at the lowest cost. And I am very happy that the performance of Haldia year on year has been excellent, and this has been acknowledged by the heads of the organization in various forums. And therefore, I congratulate all of you once again for this exemplary performance. I thank you for inviting me to be present here with all of you and celebrate this evening.
Just want to first of all wish everyone a very, very happy centenary year for Tata Power. And I also want to tell you that not many companies reach this milestone. Every company wants to go on forever, but hardly about 10 to 15% of the companies would reach 100 years. And the companies that reach 100 years are the ones uh, that don't think about themselves. They think about all the other stakeholders. That's the only way to live on as an organization forever. So I'm very proud that all of us belong to a family uh, which is known to care for all our stakeholders, and that's what the Tatas and Tata Power is all about. Now, coming to Haldia, I just want to tell you that it was a superb performance. So much talent here. Let's hear it for everybody. I'm sure I'm speaking for Mr. Bajal also that we are going to take back very fond memories of a wonderful evening here. And Haldia has always been performing superbly as an operating plant. We saw another kind of performance today. And I also want to mention that it was a delight to see the proud parents and friends with their cameras taking photographs of the performance. Everyone did superbly. The children, the ladies, the employees, everyone. It was a wonderful evening, and thank you for inviting me, and we had a superb time. Thanks a lot.